So I am now at Chrey Temple, which is around 60 kilometers from Siem Reap. This temple is the neighborhood of Beng Mealea, famous. This is the east part of Beng Mealea. When I go further, Beng Mealea, this way is on the way to Chrey Temples. So the reason I'm driving past the Beng Mealea Temple and Tree is I'm going to visit another smaller temple that's called Chrey Temple. So now I'm right at Chrey Temple, which is the neighborhood of Beng Mealea Temple. This temple is only around 1 kilometers east of Beng Mealea Temple. So this temple is not regular visited. Even those who come to visit a single Beng Mealea, they don't know that this temple is existing. This temple is pretty quiet, but I think at the moment it's a little bit of dry because I see some burning along the way. They are cleaning up, so it's not so green. And on the other reason is because now it's dry season. Okay, let's enjoy together. Hello. Yes, Meta has another natural swing, so that is their favorite thing to do when come to jungle temple like this. Right, here is Chrey Temple. So we are now entry from the north. Chrey Temple, which is around 60 kilometers from Siem Reap. This temple is the neighborhood of Beng Mealea, famous for the security temple. So Chrey Temple, by its name, it means a name of a tree, that is the banyan family tree. Banyan tree have a big leaf, but Chrey has a smaller leaf. At the moment, there's no people here, but this temple is, as usual, not many people coming in. Even they already know Beng Mealea Temple. It's just only 1 or 2 kilometers east of Beng Mealea, but still people did not know that there is one temple like this. Actually, this temple is very nice, but it completely collapsed by nature or by something. I don't know. Okay, so please enjoy together. Not so much different from Beng Mealea. This temple is also completely collapsed. So pretty rude. there's some fruit here. This is fig, but Cambodian fig is mostly people not eating, and they always come here human to this fruit. They said the outers look great, but the inside just like shit. see the shape is look very italic. So yes, maybe it's going to collapse soon. Some Naga carvings over here. Very unpromised condition in this area. So for this temple, I believe this is part of Beng Mealea or Angkor area. So it means that the admission or the ticket will be applied same as Angkor. If you have Angkor ticket, you can come here. It's included. If you don't have, you have to buy Angkor ticket, which is at the ticket booth on the way here. They also sell a ticket. For now, it is $37 per day. So it's not worth coming here for just this temple. So better you combine with Beng Mealea and other of Angkor Temple. Okay, so our visit is done. So it takes no more than 30 minutes to walk around and take some pictures out here. Thanks so much. So looking forward to welcome everyone to Cambodia. Bye bye.